We were given the problem to move liquid from the ground using a 4-bar mechanism that utilizes rotary motion to produce vertical motion. Our objective is to show the engineering concept of how the rotary motion of a pump jack is used in the petroleum field to pull oil out of the ground. The constraints that our group faces are figuring out how to connect the pitman arm to the gearbox to operate the pump jack while allowing it to move freely. Our group chose to recreate a computer model of a pump jack because it is a popular, well-known mechanical device that illustrates the engineering principle, the 4-bar mechanism we were asked to present to a K-12 classroom audience. We chose to use a hand-powered crank as our external power source. When the handle is turned, the gears rotate the pump jack's pitman arm and counterweights, which are connected to the walking beam and horse head. This causes it to pivot vertically, forcing the drill rod to move up and down to represent it drilling into the earth for oil. The gears were made to rotate the counterweights with the crank. The counterweights are used to assist the motor in lifting the heavy pitman arms. The pitman arm is used to transfer the force to the walking beam. The walking beam is used for leverage. The horse head is connected to a fiberglass bridle which is connected to the polished rod. The pump jack consists of a walking beam moved by an external power source. As the end of the beam rises and falls, the weighted end dips in and out of the well to extract the oil. The other end is connected to the pitman arm that is connected to our gear system that we have developed. We designed the gears to allow the counterweights to move freely along with the pitman arms. The 4-bar mechanism is established by the motor that moves the counterweights in a rotational motion. This motion then moves the pitman arm in a linear motion, which then moves the walking beam in a vertical motion. The walking beam's motion then results in the horse head moving in an up and down motion. With the sucker rod attached to it, this will begin to lift the liquid out of the ground. When torque is applied by a motor to the power shaft, the counterweights lift and apply mechanical energy to the walking beam, therefore submerging the rod and plunger. The rod itself is connected to a subsurface pump which lifts oil to the surface wellhead.